Hello friends, let's start new point of halogen derivatives, and the point is nomenclature of halogen derivatives. Now we have seen nomenclature of all functional groups togetherly in basic principles of organic chemistry of 11th standard. Okay, now we are going to revise again nomenclature of halogen derivatives. Okay, what is the rules for the nomenclature of halogen derivatives? First one, upon select longest continuous chain. Select longest continuous chain. Okay, second one is number the carbon atom which gives lowest number to the functional group. Now here in alkyl halides, functional group is halogen atom. Okay, so number the hydrocarbon chain so as to carbon containing halogen atom which will get lowest number. Okay, now first upon we will see common name system. Now in common name system, alkyl halides are derived by naming alkyl group followed by name of halogen as halide. Okay, if fluorine is there, then we have to write there for fluoride, Fluoride. If Cl is there, then we have to write there. Now Cl is chlorine. For chlorine we have to write chloride. Okay, if bromine is there, Br, then we have to write bromide, Bromide. Okay, if iodine is there, then we have to write there iodide. Okay, so in this way alkyl group is followed by name of halogen as halide. Okay, now see examples. Now we have taken here example of CH3I. Okay, now CH3 is nothing but methyl group. Okay, and iodine we have to write as a iodide. Okay, therefore the name of the compound is methyl iodide. Okay, if chlorine is there, then the name will be methyl chloride. Okay, now see the next we have taken CH3 CH2I. Okay, now here CH3CH2 is nothing but ethyl group, therefore ethyl, and iodine is here, therefore name of halide is iodide. Okay, and the name of compound will be ethyl iodide. Okay, now we'll see the next more examples. Okay, we have taken here. Now see CH3 CH3 CH3. Okay, now here which group is this one? This is a tertiary butyl group. Tertiary butyl group. Okay, don't forget N-butyl, isobutyl and tertiary butyl. Now out of that this one is tertiary butyl. Okay, because it contains tertiary carbon atom, therefore it is tertiary butyl. Okay, and as the halogen is chlorine, therefore name of the compound is tertiary butyl chloride. Okay, now this is the common name system for alkyl halides. In this way you can write common name of any alkyl halide. Okay, now see the next IUPAC nomenclature. Now IUPAC nomenclature means International Union of pure and applied chemistry. Okay, now by this institution, by this organization has, or this union has made some rules of to write the names of organic compounds. Okay, as the different compounds having a different names in different countries or in different regions. To avoid this, the IUPAC has made a particular or specific rules for the IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. Okay, now as per the IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds, alkyl halides are named as haloalkanes. Now here halo means halogen atom and alkanes means the chain is of alkane group, that is one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydrogen atoms of alkanes are replaced by one or more halogen atoms. Okay, but now we are going to see only for the monohalogen derivatives. Okay, therefore now see, upside we have seen common name of CH3I, and the common name of CH3I is methyl iodide. Okay, but for the IUPAC nomenclature, alkyl halides are considered as a haloalkanes. Okay, and therefore now for the halogens, if there, then we have to write there for fluoro, FLUORO. Okay, if Cl is there, then we have to write there chloro. Okay, if Br is there, then we have to write there bromo. Okay, if Br is there, then we have to write there bromo. Okay, and if I is there, then we have to write there iodo. Okay, now in this way, iodo, that is name of halogen in the form of halo, is followed by name of an alkane. Okay, now see here, alkyl group contain only one carbon atom. Okay, and as it contains only one carbon atom, it is a derivative of methane, and therefore the name of compound is iodomethane. Okay, in the same way, CH3Cl, it is chloromethane. Okay, now here halogen is iodine, therefore iodo, and as the compound contains two carbon atoms, it is called as iodoethane. Okay, now we'll see the next. Okay, now see, first we have seen this common name, and the common name is tertiary butyl chloride. Okay, before this we have seen in common name system. Now we have to write the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, for the IUPAC name of compound which contain branched chain, so first upon we have to number the system. First upon select longest continuous chain. Okay, if you saw here, it contains only two carbon atoms, but if you saw horizontally, then it's 3 carbon atom, therefore this is the longest chain. Okay, so we have to number this longest chain 1 2 3. Okay, that means this contain how much? 3 carbon atoms. Okay, as it contains 3 carbon atom, it is a derivative of propane. Okay, now on the second carbon atom there is one CH3 substituent. Okay, and CH3 group is nothing but methyl group. Okay, and the halogen is also present on the second carbon atom, therefore name of the compound is, now we have to mention here position of substituent as well as position of functional group. Now here, as the chlorine atom is attached to second carbon atom, therefore it is 2-chloro. Okay, and as the methyl group is also attached to second carbon atom, therefore it is 2-methyl. Okay, now we have to decide which group we have to mention first, then for that we have to follow the alphabetical order. Okay, as the C comes first, so we have to write there first 2-chloro, then 2-methyl, and the longest chain or the parent hydrocarbon is propane. Okay, therefore the IUPAC name of the given compound is 2-chloro 2-methyl propane. Okay, now next we are going to see the names of haloarenes, that is aryl halides. Okay, aryl halides are also called as haloarenes. Okay, now see, in aryl halides are named as haloarenes. Okay, in common name system as well as in IUPAC name system. Okay, but the only difference is that the position of halogen is written by the prefixes, or we have to mention first position of halogens by writing a prefixes like ortho, O for ortho, M for meta, and P for para. Okay, in common name system. Okay, for example, if we have taken benzene ring. Okay, if we have taken a benzene ring. Okay, now if two halogen atoms are present there, if you have taken here Cl, Cl, now if they are attached on the adjacent carbon atom of benzene ring or 1 2, okay, then this position is called as, or this type of derivatives are called as ortho derivatives. Okay, therefore the name of the compound will be ortho dichlorobenzene. Okay, in the same way, if in benzene ring halogen atoms are present at 1 3 position, okay, first, second, third, okay, then in common name system these positions or these respective positions are called as meta position. Okay, and therefore the name of the compound is meta dichlorobenzene. Okay, and it is not necessary to write whole meta every time. We can write only M for meta, only O for ortho, and only P for para. Okay, now consider example for para. Okay, now see, this one is benzene ring, and if the chlorine atoms are attached to first, second, third, fourth, that is if the halogen atoms are present on the first and fourth carbon atom, okay, then the such derivatives are called as para derivative. Okay, and therefore we have to mention para as a prefix before the name. Okay, and therefore the name of compound is para dichloro, para dichlorobenzene. Okay, so in this way we have to write the common names for haloarenes or aryl halides. Okay, now only the difference in common name system and IUPAC name system is that we have to mention the numerals or numbers in case of IUPAC name system. Okay, okay, see, if we have taken as like this Cl, Cl, okay, the name of this compound is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Okay, that means the respective position of halogen atoms are first and second, that is they are present on adjacent carbon atom. Okay, so here I have written first common name and IUPAC name below the common name. Okay, now see, here we have taken meta derivative, that is 1,3-dichlorobenzene, and same here for para dichlorobenzene we can write in common name system 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Okay, Now see, we will see the more examples of common name as well as IUPAC names. Okay, now see, first we have taken CH2Cl2. CH2Cl2, it is derivative of methane, CH4. Okay, now out of these 4 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens are replaced by 2 chlorine atoms. Okay, therefore the common name, and for the common name system, this CH group nothing but the methylene group, METHYLENE, methylene group. Okay, and therefore this name, common name of this compound is methylene chloride, or you can say methylene chloride. Here you have to mention CH2 group is nothing but the methylene group. Okay, and for the IUPAC name system, now how much halogen atoms are replaced there? Two hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 chlorine atoms. Okay, and as it contains chlorine atoms, it is a chloro. As it contains 2, therefore it is dichloro. Okay, and as it is a derivative of methane, it is called as dichloromethane, and therefore the name of compound is dichloromethane. Okay, now see the next, CH3CH2Br. CH3CH2Br. Now common name for this compound is ethyl bromide. Okay, as it contains 2 carbon atoms, and 2 carbon atoms means ethyl group, and it contains the bromine, and therefore bromide in common name system. Okay, while the name of compound in IUPAC, according to IUPAC system, name of compound is bromoethane. As the compound contains 2 carbon atom, the parent alkane is ethane. Okay, and as it contains the bromine, therefore bromo, and the name of compound is bromoethane. Okay, now see the next, CH3 and second carbon atom contains chlorine. Okay, now if any functional group is present on the second carbon atom of propyl group, then this group is called as isopropyl. Now this group is nothing but isopropyl, and as it contains chlorine as a halogen. Okay, and therefore the chloride. Okay, and therefore the name of compound is isopropyl chloride. Okay, and in the same way, as it contains chloride or chlorine, in IUPAC system it will be chloro, and as it is position of chlorine atom is second, therefore the name of compound is 2-chloro, and as it is a derivative of propane, therefore it is propane, and the name of compound will be 2-chloropropane. Okay, now we'll see the next. Okay, now we have given CH3, CH3, CH2, Br. Okay, now you have to remember this group is called as isobutyl. Okay, and as it contains the bromine atom, bromide. Okay, and therefore the name of compound is isopropyl bromide. Okay, or you can say it is isobutyl bromide. Okay, now we'll see for the IUPAC nomenclature of isobutyl bromide. Write down once again. Okay, CH3 CH CH3 CH2 Br. Okay, now first upon longest continuous chain. Okay, now 1 1 2 3. Okay, if you have written here 1 2 3, that will also okay. Okay, now bromine atom is present on first carbon atom. Okay, while the second carbon atom contains methyl group. Okay, therefore the name of compound is 1-bromo 2-methyl propane, as it contains 3 carbon atoms or the derivative of propane. Therefore the name of compound is 1-bromo 2-methyl propane. We'll see next one. First upon see the compound, this one we are going to write down name of the compound. First one, write down compound CH3 C CH3 CH3, only single bond is this. Okay, wait. CH3 C CH3 CH3 Br. Okay, now we'll see. Now here also you have to remember this group is called as tertiary butyl group. Tertiary butyl, and as it contains bromine halogen atom, therefore bromide, and therefore the common name of this compound is tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, now let's see the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. First one upon select longest continuous chain. Okay, now see, this is the longest continuous chain, that is it contains how much? 3 carbon atom. Now give number to all these carbon atoms. CH3 C CH3 CH3 1 2 3. Okay, and this second carbon atom contains Br, that is bromine. Okay, now as it is bromine, bromo. Okay, position of bromine is second, it is bonded to second carbon atom, therefore 2-bromo. Okay, then again on this second carbon atom it contains 1 methyl group, therefore 2-methyl, and as the longest chain contains 3 carbon atom, therefore propane, and therefore the name of this compound is 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. Okay, you can see name here also. Tertiary butyl bromide is common name, while 2-bromo 2-methyl propane, okay, is IUPAC name. Okay, now see the next CH3 C CH3 CH3 CH2 Cl. Okay, now again you have to remember here neopentyl group. Okay, and as it contains chlorine, it is called as neopentyl chloride. Okay, don't be confused in isopropyl, isobutyl, tertiary butyl, neopentyl group. Okay, You have to just make a practice of this group to write down and to remind it. Okay, then it will be clear for your common name system, and generally the questions are asking related to this kind of names. Okay, and only to confuse. Okay, so don't be afraid of that. Okay, just remember this particular functional group, this particular alkyl groups, and make it simple by writing practice. Okay, and therefore the name of this compound is, common name of this compound is neopentyl chloride. Okay, and now we are going to write IUPAC name. First one, upon select longest continuous chain which contains the functional group. Okay, now see longest continuous chain. Okay, there. Now after that we have to number the carbon atoms which gives lowest number to the functional group. Therefore we have to start numbering from this carbon atom, 1 2 3. Okay, now here second position contains 2 methyl group. Okay, therefore we have to mention their di as a prefix before methyl group. Okay, now see IUPAC name 1 chloro, because of chlorine atom is present on first carbon atom, therefore 1 chloro. Okay, now here as it contains 2 methyl group on the second carbon atom, therefore we have to write here 2 times, therefore 2 2. Okay, how much methyl groups are there? 2 methyl groups are there, therefore dimethyl. Okay, and as the longest chain contains 3 carbon atom, it is of propane. Okay, and therefore the name of compound is 1 chloro 2 2 dimethyl propane. Okay. Now see the next, CH2 double bond CHCl. Okay, now see CH2 double bond CHCl. Yesterday only we have seen, if the halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, then such compounds are called as vinyl chloride. Vinyl, as it is a chlorine, therefore vinyl chloride. Okay, this is the common name for CH2 double bond CHCl. Okay, now for the IUPAC name. Okay, now just remind ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. One hydrogen atom of ethene is replaced by one chlorine atom. Okay, therefore this compound is ethene. Okay, and therefore the name of this compound is this one compound, and as this ethene, in which one hydrogen atom is replaced by one chlorine atom, and therefore name of compound is 1 chloroethene. Okay, now here no need to mention 1, that is first position of chlorine atom. Okay, now see the next. Okay, and next one is CH2 double bond CH2, which halogen is there? Bromine. Okay, CH2 double bond CH2Br. Okay, and yesterday we have seen, if the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon carbon double bond or next to alkene group. Okay, and therefore or such compounds are called as allyl halides. Okay, and as it contains bromine, therefore allyl bromide. Okay, therefore common name of this compound is allyl bromide. Okay, now we are going to see for the IUPAC name of this compound. Write once again, CH2 double bond CH CH2 Cl. Okay, now here two function, sorry, bromine was there, Br, bromine. Okay, now here two functional groups are present. Which two functional group? First one is propene and second one is bromine. Sorry, first one is alkene, and as it contains 3 carbon atoms, therefore it is propene. Okay, and the second functional group is halogen atom. Okay, and last year we have seen we have to end of the IUPAC name by the prior functional group, and the priority is goes to alkene. Okay, now the name of compound is, therefore we have to number 1 2 3. Okay, now see, bromine atom is present on third carbon atom. Okay, and carbon carbon double bond is present in between first and second carbon atom, that is the position of carbon carbon double bond is first. Okay, and therefore name of compound is 3 bromo. Okay, propene, propene, as it contains carbon carbon double bond, or alkene, therefore the name of compound is 3 bromo propene. Okay, now we'll see the next, CH. Okay, CH triple bond C Cl. Okay, now chlorine atom is attached to sp hybridized carbon atom, that is it is haloalkyne. As the compound contain triple bond, it is alkyne, and as the hydrogen of alkyne is replaced by halogen atom, therefore it is called as haloalkyne. Haloalkyne. Okay, now the common name of haloalkynes are, okay, now this one is acetylene. Okay, now H C triple bond C H, common name of this compound is acetylene, ACETYLENE, acetylene. Okay, and as it contains chlorine, therefore it is chloroacetylene. Okay, and IUPAC name of this compound is chloroethane. Okay, CH triple bond CH, the IUPAC name of this compound is ethyne. Okay, and as one hydrogen atom of ethyne is replaced by halogen, that is CH triple bond CCl. Okay, and therefore the name of compound is haloalkyne, that is the, as it contains chlorine, therefore it is chloroethane. Okay, now we'll see the next, benzene ring, which contains one CH2 and iodine. Okay, now previously also I have told you this group, it is called as benzyl, 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 and iodine is there, therefore iodide, and therefore common name of this compound is benzyl iodide. Okay, now as CH2I. Okay, now look at this carbon atom. Okay, if we have considered methane CH4, then one hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by benzene ring, and one hydrogen atom is replaced by iodine. Okay, and therefore The name of compound is iodophenyl, and this group is phenyl group. Okay, iodophenyl methane, iodophenyl methane. Okay, therefore we have taken name here as a iodophenyl ethane. Okay, sorry, methane. See last two compounds. Okay, see what we have given here. Benzene ring contains one iodine and one methyl group. Okay, therefore the name of compound is para-iodotoluene. Now last year we have seen, if benzene ring containing CH3 group, then it is called as toluene. Okay, Toluene, toluene. Okay, and as at the in front of methyl iodine is present, that is first, second, third and fourth, therefore it is called as para-iodotoluene. Okay, and IUPAC name system, as the alphabetically order, I come first, therefore 1 iodo. Okay, 1 iodo, 4 methyl benzene. Okay, you can write name by this method also, or simply you can write name by 4 iodotoluene. Okay, that means by putting this name. Okay, and as the position of iodine is para position, that is 1,4 position, therefore we are going to write 4 iodotoluene. Okay, now the same way, now here benzene ring contains 2 chlorine atom, first, second and third. Okay, 1 3. Okay, and 1 3 means meta, therefore in common name system meta dichlorobenzene, and IUPAC name system 1 3 dichlorobenzene. Okay, now we have finished here IUPAC nomenclature as well as common name system of alkyl halides. Okay, if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me on comment section. Okay, and if you found this video is useful for you, then like, share and subscribe